Today we'll show you how to install your AT&T tempered glass screen protection using the Easy Apply installation method. Inside the box, you'll find a paper tray with information about our lifetime replacement program. For easy registration, make sure to scan the QR code on the back of the box. Inside the paper tray, you'll find installation instructions, the blue installation tray, and an installation kit containing a wet wipe, dust removal sticker, microfiber cloth, and the tempered glass screen protector. So, let's get started. First, clean your screen using the wet wipe to remove any smudges and oils from your screen. Follow up with the microfiber cloth. And finally, use the dust removal sticker to pick up any debris that may have settled back down on the screen. Now you're ready to install your screen protection. Place the installation tray on a flat surface with the pegs pointing up. Set your phone in tray, making sure the top of your phone is at the end of the tray marked top. Now grab the screen protector. Peel away the protective backing using the tab marked number 1. Make sure the screen protector is facing down and do not touch the exposed surface. Place the screen protector on the installation tray by fitting the cutouts on each tab over the corresponding pegs on the tray. The exposed adhesive side should be facing down towards the face of your phone screen. The tray holds the screen protector just above the screen. Press down on the center of the screen protector and slowly swipe your finger up, down, and across the screen protector. The screen protector will install itself. Carefully peel away the top protective liner. Finally, use the microfiber cloth to press out any microbubbles and wipe away any fingerprints, dust, or debris that may have accumulated in the installation process. Remove your phone from the installation tray. And there you have it, smooth, transparent, powerful screen protection.